Hello again, baker friends. I am back with another baking tip of the day. So we all know that Deanna doesn't waste. I've said it in many of my videos. But today I'm going to share a trick with you that's going to help you get every bit of icing out of your pastry bag. Take a look at this. All right, did you see it? All you need to do is take a scraper of some sort. You could even use a spatula, whatever you have that's flat. You have your pastry bag that has your icing in it, and the icing is probably fills the bag about this much because it's all up in here. No problem. Just like in the video. You put the bag down, you take your scraper, and you push all the icing to the end of the bag. Now, what was a bag that had icing up to here has icing up to here, and you waste nothing. That is my budget baking tip for the day.